In this course, we'll show you the latest features of the popular programming language PHP in its latest release, version 7. This course is for all skill levels. For beginners, we'll take you through the basics of PHP, including variables, conditions, loops, and arrays, all the way through to functions and classes. For those looking for a touch-up in your PHP skills, we'll show you how to organize your projects in the model view controller paradigm, as well as best practices, as we build a modern web application that will use modern authentication and user management techniques. As of the production of this course, PHP is running the server side of more than 75% of the websites whose server-side language we know. In this course, we'll teach you how to get the most out of this language in order to build PHP with a team or on your own. This ubiquitous language can be incredibly powerful if you utilize the best practices and techniques taught in this course. Welcome.